Hey guys, it is Jordan from Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we have our flagship Toyota Tacoma Build, and we are going to go over 5 things you can do to your Tacoma to improve the style and the functionality of it. So let's go ahead and go over those products. Okay guys, so the very first thing we're going to talk about today are the interior lighting kits for the Toyota Tacoma. So when you first get your truck, they come with very dim map lights, dome lights, and even these sun visor mirror lights. Now, Diode Dynamics, Meso Customs, a couple of different brands that we offer at Tacoma Lifestyle offer replacements for these. So with Diode Dynamics, it's a replacement bulb where you pull out the old ones, you put the new ones in. They're a lot brighter. You can get them in clear white, red, or blue. With Meso Customs, it's a dual function, so you can get either a white or a red option, and it replaces the whole housing. They're both insanely bright compared to the OEM ones, and they're fairly easy installs. So the first thing we recommend when you get your truck, do an interior lighting kit. You won't regret it. Okay, so we're sticking on the interior of the Tacoma for our second product. Now, there are a ton of different interior options you can add to your Tacoma to just change up the look of it. You can do door handle covers, you can do chrome delete kits, but we decided to go with a shift knob as the second easiest thing you can do to upgrade your Tacoma. We have a couple of different shift knob options on our website. We went with the Tacoma Lifestyle aluminum shift knob for this build, but we have Teton workshop shift knobs, we have AJT shift knobs, and we even have a Rogue shift knob that you can choose from. So go ahead and get on our website, find a good shift knob for you, but this is just a good way to change up the look and feel of your truck, and there's nothing like having a really good shift knob in your vehicle in the first place. So go ahead, check out a shift knob as number 2 on our top 5 mods list. Okay, so for the third item on our list, we've moved outside of the Tacoma and we are going to talk about aftermarket lighting. Now, nothing makes a Tacoma look better than some aftermarket headlights. Right here we have the Morimoto XB headlights for the Tacoma. You get 3 projectors, you get a nice sequential turn signal as well as a DRL, and they are way brighter than the OEM headlights. Now, we also offer brands from Alpharex and Form. Any aftermarket headlight you choose is going to be significantly brighter than your OEM headlights, and you will notice a huge difference right off the bat. Now, we also want to talk about fog lights. OEM fog lights are not very bright. They're not very good at doing their job. Now, when you get a set from Baja Designs, Heretic, Diode Dynamics, you're going to be able to choose from a white or a yellow fog light that is going to be significantly better at cutting through fog, rain, and snow than your OEM ones. And last but not least, you got to get a set of taillights to match those aftermarket headlights. So we definitely recommend getting aftermarket lighting for your truck. Okay, so for the fourth item on our list, it is a very small upgrade that goes a long way in improving the look of your truck. And we are talking about tailgate inserts for the Tacoma as well as the tailgate handle insert from Toughskins. Now, when you get a 3rd gen Tacoma, you get this nice embossed Tacoma lettering on the back of the tailgate. Normally it's paint matched, it doesn't stand out that much, but you can get a tailgate insert in either black or red, or even Toughskins has a ton of different color options you can do for your tailgate that just make that Tacoma lettering stand out so much more. It looks great on Lunar Rock, Cavalry Blue, any other type of color for the Tacoma, just stands out a lot better. Now the tailgate insert or the tailgate handle as well has the lettering for Toyota on it. Toughskins sells a kit that allows you to make those letters pop as well. So we definitely recommend getting these. It's a huge way to upgrade the look of the rear end of your truck. All right, the 5th and final product on our list is going to be a good roof rack. Now, if you're doing an overland build or if you just want to improve the capabilities and storage options of your Tacoma, it is only going to be as good as your roof rack. The reason I say that is because you're going to be able to mount all sorts of things on your Tacoma roof rack. Now, we have a couple of different options from Prinsu, from Sherpa, from Backwoods. All of them are directly bolt-on. You don't have to drill into the roof of your truck. So it's super easy to install, and it gives you the ability to mount lighting, to mount storage, awnings, rooftop tents, what have you. We can't recommend a good roof rack enough. And so to top off our list, we are talking about roof racks as the 5th item you should get for your Tacoma build. Okay guys, so that's been a list of the first 5 mods you should do when you get your Toyota Tacoma. These are 5 easy mods that you can do right after buying your truck that's going to upgrade the styling and just some of the functionality of it. Obviously, this is just our opinion of things that you should do. There's a ton of different products. Obviously, look into what's best for you, but you can get all of these products and more at our website on tacomalifestyle.com. And if you want to see more of this truck or any of our other Tacoma builds, make sure you're following us on Instagram at Tacoma Lifestyle and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks, guys.